Apple is back this September with the iPhone 16, ready to size up the competition with its larger-than-life displays and innovative features. These significant upgrades will impact performance and usability. The iPhone 16 Pro will sport a spacious 6.3-inch display, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max will boast a jaw-dropping 6.9-inch screen. These expansive displays are perfect for immersive gaming, binge-watching your favorite shows, and getting work done on the go. And with slimmer bezels, you'll enjoy an even more captivating viewing experience. The iconic mute switch is getting a makeover. It's being replaced with a multifunctional action button on all iPhone 16 models. This versatile button can be customized to perform a variety of tasks, such as launching the camera, activating the flashlight, or even triggering your favorite shortcuts. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The iPhone 16 is also introducing a brand new capture button, designed to make photography a breeze. With a light press, you can focus, and with a full press, you can capture stunning photos or start recording videos. It's like having a professional camera in your pocket. The iPhone 16 Pro's camera is about to become your secret weapon for capturing incredible photos and videos. With a larger sensor, it will excel in low-light conditions, ensuring that every detail is crisp and clear. The ultra-wide camera is also getting a massive upgrade to 48 megapixels, allowing you to capture sweeping landscapes with unparalleled clarity. And to top it all off, all Pro lenses will feature a special coating to reduce flares and ghosting, resulting in images that are simply breathtaking. Say goodbye to waiting around for your phone to charge. The iPhone 16 is set to offer lightning-fast charging speeds with 40 watts wired charging and 20 watts MagSafe charging. And to keep you going all day long, all models will be equipped with larger batteries, so you can stay connected, entertained, and productive wherever you go. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer power and efficiency of the new A18 chip. With its advanced neural engine capabilities, the iPhone 16 will deliver unparalleled AI processing, making your phone smarter and more intuitive. The Pro models are rumored to feature an even more powerful A18 Pro chip, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in mobile technology. Are you as excited as we are about the iPhone 16? Are the features enough to make you upgrade? If you're curious to know what's next, don't miss our latest video on the upcoming iPhone 17 Slim, which promises to be sleeker, more lightweight, and packed with even more innovative features, potentially setting new standards in design and performance. See you in the next one.